Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to start our fourth lesson, that is formatting a web page. In our previous lesson, you learned how to design a web page. So let I explain to you what is formatting a web page. Formatting means refining and giving a professional look to a web page before uploading it on your website. It is possible to change the font style, font size and font text color. This makes a presentable and makes a favorable impression on the people who surf your website. Means with the help of formatting, you can format your web page giving HTML code. Okay, students? Now, in this chapter, you will learn about formatting and inserting images in a web page. First option, bold. What is a bold? A set of type characters that are darker and heavier than normal. A bold font implies that each character was originally designed with a heavier appearance rather than created on the fly from a normal character. Understood? What is the meaning of bold? To display the text in boldface, the open bold tags and close bold tag is used. For example, open bold tags, bold, close bold tags. We will display the text in bold face. Following windows shows to you the HTML code. Can you see? First, coding to open HTML. Second, to open head. Third, to open and close tags for title. Fourth, closed head tags. Then open body tags. In that body you have to write, this is a, in angle bracket B, bold, another angle bracket, close bold text. Close the body tags, close the HTML. These are the coding for bold to text in HTML. After that, can you see the following windows will be displayed. Here you will get the result. Understood, students? This way you can give HTML coding to bold for your formatting web page. Second, italic. What is an italic option? A typeface with letters silented. What is an italic option? A typeface with letters slanted slightly to the right. Italic type is used to emphasize words as well as for decoration. Most but not all fonts have an italic typeface. To display the text in italics, the in angle bracket I and close I tag is used. Means students, these tags are used to give italic to your sentence. For example, in angle bracket I, italic, angle bracket closed will display the tag in italics. The following windows shows to you coding for italics. First, as usual, to open HTML tags. Second, to open head tags. Third, to open title and close tags. Fourth, close head tags. Then open body tags. This is in angle bracket capital letter I, angle bracket closed, italic, again open angle bracket, close the I tags text, then close the body tags. Next, close the HTML document. Then you save this coding in HTML. After that, in the web page window will be displayed. Can you see the result in this following windows? Okay students, this way you can give italic tags for your web page. Next option, underline. What is an underline text? An underline is a section of text in a document where the words have a line running beneath them. Underline text is commonly used to help draw attention to text. Today, underlines are commonly used to represent a hyperlink on a web page. Understood students? What is the use of underline? Okay, to underline a piece of text, these types of text you can give. The U and close U tag is used. For example, open angle bracket U, close the angle bracket, underline, again open, closed U, close the angle bracket, tag will display the text underline. This is the coding for underline tag. The following window, I have given you HTML codes for underline tags. Let I explain you. First, to open HTML. Second, to open head. Third, open title and close the title tags. Fourth, close the head tags. Again open body tags. This is give underline tags. Underline, close the underline tags. Text, close the body tags. And last, close the HTML document. After that, you have to save the HTML document in Notepad. Then on your desktop, you will get icon of web page. The following windows shows to you the result. Can you see? Okay, here the line will be come. This is underline text. This way you can give coding for underline and you can format your web page. Understood students? what is the use of underline. I hope you understood. Next option, strike through. What is strike through? A strike through is a line drawn through text that indicates the deletion of an error or the removal of text. Okay students, to strike through a piece of text, the coding of strike through, the del in angle bracket and close del again in angle bracket. This coding is used to HTML code to give strike through. For example, in angle bracket del, strike through, close the del tags, and your tag will be displayed in the window. The text struck out. The meaning of strike through means you can struck out the text. The following windows I have given you HTML codes for strike through. As usual, first to open HTML, second to open head, third you have to open title tag and close the title tags, fourth closed head tags, open body tags. Type there, this is in angle bracket del, strike through, open angle bracket, close the del tags, close the body tags, and last one, close the HTML tags. Save your documents in Notepad window. After that, the following windows will be displayed on your screen. Can you see the result of strike through? Okay students, this way you can format a page with the help of bold, italic, underline and strike through. Hope you have understood these options of formatting a web page. Thank you. Have a good day.